Question number 1. Food poisoning is caused by Clostridium tetani, Clostridium welchi, diphtheria, Clostridium botulinum. Correct answer is option D, Clostridium botulinum. Question number 2. Coplic spots will develop in HIV, measles, mumps, rubella. Correct answer is option B, measles. Question number 3. Viral DNA is resistant to DNA of the host cell because it contains. Correct answer is option A, 5-HMC. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of live vaccine? Pertussis, mumps, cholera, rabies. Correct answer is option C, cholera. Question number 5. Triple toxoid vaccine gives protection against diphtheria, tetanus, rabies, tetanus, whooping cough, tuberculosis, whooping cough, tetanus, diphtheria, whooping cough, cancer, TB. Correct answer is option C, whooping cough, tetanus and diphtheria. Question number 6. Higher dose of chloramphenicol affects the eukaryotic cell because they have 30S ribosome, they have mitochondria, they have 70S ribosome, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, they have mitochondria. Question number 7. AIDS is caused by retrovirus, prions, rabidovirus, retroprison. Correct answer is option A, retrovirus. Question number 8. Penicillin is a primary metabolite, secondary metabolite, tertiary metabolite, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, secondary metabolite. Question number 9. The rejection of an organ transplant such as kidney transplant is an example of dash hypersensitivity, immediate delay, allergy, none of these. Correct answer is option A, immediate hypersensitivity. Question number 10. Listeriosis was a dash disease, foodborne, waterborne, milk-borne, airborne. Correct answer is option C, milk-borne. Question number 11. Pus forming forms are called as pyoderm, pyogenic, pyrogene, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, pyogenic. Question number 12. In ELISA technique, antibody are labeled by acridine gorage, alkaline phosphate, neutral red, bromothymol blue. Correct answer is option B, alkaline phosphate. Question number 30. This is a genetic disease characterized by a total or partial inability to synthesize globin. Apoptosis, gamma globulinemia, sickle cell anemia. Correct answer is option B, gamma globulinemia. Question number 40. A study involving analysis of risks for genetic defects in a family is genetic engineering, genetic counseling, genetic drift, genetic equilibrium. Correct answer is option D, genetic equilibrium. Question number 50. Viral antigen are likely proteins, glycoproteins, lipoprotein, both A and B. Correct answer is option A, both A and B, proteins and glycoproteins. Question number 60. The suitable assay method for antibiotic is enzymatic assay, turbidometric assay, endpoint determination assay, metabolic assay. Correct answer is option C, endpoint determination assay. Question number 70. ELISA test is used for the identification of jaundice, AIDS, rabies, polio. Correct answer is option A, AIDS. Question number 80. Incubation period for infective hepatitis disease 45 to 80 days, 15 to 35 days, 35 to 15 days, 5 to 15 days. Correct answer is option D, 5 to 15 days. Correct answer is D, 5 to 15 days. Question number 19. All of the following are bacteriostatic chemotherapy agent except bacitracin, chloramphenicol, novobiocin, tetracycline. Correct answer is option A, bacitracin is not a bacteriostatic chemotherapeutic agent. Chloramphenicol, novobiocin, tetracycline are the bacteriostatic therapeutic agent. Bacteriostatic chemotherapeutic agent. Question number 10. Kinetosome are observed in algae, fungi, protozoa, virus. Correct answer is option C, protozoa. Kinetosome are observed in protozoa.